Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we have Nejire Hado. Nejire Hado, the last member of the big tree from My Hero Academia that I have to draw. So let's go. I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and hit pause if I go too fast. So we're going to start with her eyes, right? So center point of my page is about, I would say here. That's probably where her mouth will end up being, maybe just here. And then we go up. And we'll come over to the right just a little bit, right? So, relatively big eyelids, so we curve it up, over the top, like so, and down the back. So those My Hero Academia eyes, big curving lines, right? We're going to thicken this line up as well, so we're going to like just add some extra weight to it. Kind of think of it like maybe like a double line. Okay, like that. And then coming around the bottom, so we just have like some eyelashes, like some short sort of eyelashes sticking off like so. Okay. Just that's the whole of her bottom eyelid, right? And then her iris, so we've got a oval, so it's not like a circle, it's a long oval. It's not a perfect circle. Goes around like so. And just like touches her top eyelid just there. Okay, and then we have another one inside, smaller, because her pupils are actually white. So we're not going to color this in black or anything, we're just going to leave it white like that. So we'll come over and do the next eye. So starting here, so her eyes are much bigger than the space in between, right? So you could probably, it's probably half an eye distance between her eyes. Okay, it's not a full eye. Oh, I forgot eyelashes just here. Okay, so you can fit half of her eye in between, approximately. Okay, and that's where the next eyelid will start. And this curves up and over again. Similar shape. Really big, a lot bigger than you'd think. And then we thicken it up once you get that shape. Okay, and then bottom eyelash lines just coming around the bottom here. You know, just kind of curving around the bottom. Right, and then an oval for her iris again. Just comes up right close to her top eyelid, like so. And then her pupil in the middle, which is white. And then some eyelashes sticking off here again. So her nose, pretty simple, right in the center of her face. So it's just like a line, kind of comes down this way and maybe sticks back there. Very simple anime nose. She could have a top eyelid just coming out from the top of her eye just here, curving around like so. Forgot that. Just curving around the top of her eye. And then her mouth, so it's two lines, right? So just down here, so she's smiling, but we got two lines. So we're going to curve a line down like so on one side, right? So we're just underneath the eye, just here, right? So just underneath her eye here, And then just underneath the eye on the other side, we'll go back down the other way. And we're going to leave a gap between the two of them, okay? Like so. So a real big smile. There, like so. Okay, so then her chin, just down below that, just here, like so. So if you're looking at proportions of things, I would say maybe middle of her eye to her mouth is about the same as mouth to chin. See that? So the mouth is like halfway between the eyes and the chin, right? And the nose just simply right between the eyes. So once you get that, then we can think about doing the jaw. So on one side, her face is covered by hair. So we stop it just there. And then the other side, we go a little bit further and stop just underneath the edge of her eye, right? Because when we get to here, that's where you change direction and we go up the other side. And on this side, it's covered by her hair, so we can't see it, right? So we'll do her fringe. Right, so side of her hair curves down here. Back up underneath her chin, okay? And just in here we can see her earlobe, just in there. I think it's a bit bigger. Yeah, so that's more like it. That's her ear. This could be like an ear line just inside. So that's her earlobe, just there, and that's the inside of her ear. Like so, and then a couple more curved lines and stuff for her hair, just here. Right, so the rest of this hair, so we'll go up real tall, up there, right? And then her fringe curves across her head into there. A couple of spikes coming down over her forehead, like so. Back up. Another smaller one just here. So, and then we'll bring it down the side of her face, the other side curves that way, and then we have this spike that comes onto her cheek, right? So it's going to go down this way. Okay, so first it curves down by her eye, and then it's going to spike up here towards her iris, okay? It's gonna like spike up here. And then it's gonna come back down and around the bottom. And it'll go back up to the top of her head. Like so, and then maybe a texture line just there. Maybe another one here. Another hair texture line there. Another one here. Okay, so now she has real big long hair that comes down all the way down to the bottom of the page, right? So the top of her head is right up near the top of my page here. Okay, so if you're wondering how high up you want to go, I would say eyes to the top of her head is about the same as eyes to chin. Okay, here to here. About the same as here to here, right? Her top eyelid, the like dark black line. So here to here. Same as here to here, okay? So this marks the halfway point between the top of her head and her chin. So once you get that, then we can travel down like so. try and get it even on both sides. Try our best anyway. Like so. Doesn't have to be exactly even, of course, but you know, as even as you can get it. And these two lines then, once you get that, are going to go all the way down off the bottom of the page, right? As far as you can. So like all the way down to here. Down like so. And then this side. Bah. Whew, not bad. Okay. Oh, her eyebrows. So we can just see some eyebrow just in here. They're small. Same color as her hair. One there. And the other one on this side. Just curve line over like that. And then just add a section that you can color in. Just there, along the top. Okay. Right, so then we have the other side of this hair, just here as well. Curves up and around into there. Give it a texture line, just there. And then her neck. Right, so we got neck comes down the side here. Like so. Collar of her uniform comes in. Both sides like so. Down towards her tie, just there. Then the other side of it comes around from the back of her neck, down like so. So it goes around the back of her neck, comes out again. There. And then we go down like so. Down like so. Curve up. Curve up. And then we have the tie that goes across, right? So like this will curve down here, there. And then the tie comes across the top. Diagonal line there. It's got like a golden button or something. And then a curved line across here. Okay. She's got a shadow underneath her chin. It's common in My Hero Academia characters. And maybe with some like hatching lines just here. And this is black. Like so. Then her shoulders. So she's in her UA school uniform, so they've got those, well she does anyway, those look, oh no, I think they all have them. Those green sort of rectangular things on their shoulders just there. Same on this side. Down like so. And then so she's wearing like a waistcoat, right? So it comes down like this diagonally, right? And then we have the curved lines for her chest. So curve around. Boom. There. Curved line here. And then the middle of that vest comes down to a V-like section here. And then the rest of the tie then will fit inside here. I think we have the top of a button or something, just the top. Just there. So that's her torso, and then her shoulders come out like so, down both sides. Ooh. Like so. And then we bring it in a little bit and down. You go curve it back in and down. And then we have like an armpit line just here, another one here. And then we got some more hair texture lines and then we're done. So hairline, texture, texture, big one. Yeah. There, texture. And texture line here. And then a big one coming down like here. Then another one here, like so. And that's it. Is it? Yes, that's it. How to draw Nejire Hado. Hope it was helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.